Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I now want to presentasi portfolio. Okay, and please about me. My name is Sahel. I am a network engineering student at IDN Polytechnic Bogor. I am passionate about design and optimizing network system, and I strongly believe that hand-off practice is the best way to truly understand networking concept. During my study, I've explored a variety of technology and methods in networking. I've learned how to configure and troubleshoot network using command line interface or CI tools, as well as how to implement solution through Graphical User Interface or GUI platform. This experience have helped me better understand how to connect and maintain network effectively. One of the projects I worked on was basic configuration. This project improved my technical and analytical skill, as well as my ability to solve problems. I'm particularly interested in how networking integrates with emerging technology like computing and IoT, and I'm excited to keep exploring this area. I enjoy challenges that push my to thinking critical and happy, and my knowledge in real world situation outside of academy. I love taking assessment and projects that keep me curious and motivated in the constantly evolving field. And my education in the high school at SMA ITM Tiara Islam, the major is natural science and Islam religion, and I now my education at Indian Polytechnic Bogor. And next, my experience here, I have participated in an event from the Google developer group located in Bogor. The GTD Bogor communication effort to encourage Gen Z to be literate with technological development with their first activities. The first in as information and discuss platform on the last development in Google technology. It discusses the development of artificial intelligence or AI technology with focus on how to create AI application, and also discuss design thinking, discussing interesting design procedures. And this is my achievement benefit of holding at MTCNA. Recognition of expertise. The MTCNA certification officially validates your financial foundational knowledge and skill in computer networking, specificity in the installation, configuration, operation, and troubleshooting of microtic router OS device. This internationally recognized certification enhances your credibility with companies and IT professionals worldwide. Career advance open up broader career opportunities in network roles such as network administration, network engineer, network technician, or system administrator. It serves as foundational for pursuing advanced robotics certification, MTSR, MTSCW, and further boosting your career potential. It enhances your competencies in the job market and adds value to your resume. Personal development. It provides a strong understanding of fundamental computer networking concept and networking technology. It enhances partial skill in network management and configuration. It encourages continuing and foundational development in network field.
Okay, continue. No.
This is my final project.
Your book?
Yeah, my book. The development of this book has been an invaluable learning process, and I am very proud of the outcome. This culminating project has significantly enhanced my understanding of MTCNR, and I am pleased to present this knowledge in the form of book this book. While the journey of producing this book was not without its challenge, I successfully overcame these obstacles and complete the project. I would like to express my sense gratitude to his support to family and friends for their invaluable support and guidance throughout this endeavor. It is my hope that this book will prove to be a useful resource for its interested audience. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for times and attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to ask you why you choose network engineer as your major.
I think the AI have worked
Because you really like this major, or you have learned about it before you come to Eden, or not? Did you learn about computer network before you come to Eden? No. And why you choose network engineer as your major when you start a college student in this polytechnic? Why? Because you really like computer network, or you just allowing your parent needs, or what?
No, I like the network.
The material of computer network.
Yeah.
Okay. We continue to second session. you can explain your material that relate from your book. Choose one topic and explain to me. You can open your document final project book from your laptop.
Configuration.
What do you want?
Basic configuration.
No problem. You
First-
wanna to practice on Peanut Lab or what?
No.
No, just explain. Where is the presentation? From your document books, no problem.
Okay.
Maybe you can open Draw.io. Type Draw.io. Draw dot io. Okay, enter. Decide later. Okay. Search router. No. In upper. Search. Nah, router. Enter. You can choose one, not anything you want. Okay. You wanna to configure that router. You wanna to explain basic configuration about that router, right? Right or not? Yes. You wanna to explain basic configuration, right?
Yeah.
Nah, that's the topology of your router. Perhaps you have one router and you wanna to doing basic configuration. Okay. What are steps?
First, change the router identity,
Mhm.
and next,
Or you can open your docs final project. No. In down, scroll down. PDF. No, PDF. Acrobat. Nah.
error.
Error. Or you can open from your Google Drive. Search your book. Okay, scroll down. No, I wanna you explain to me about scroll down. Scroll about tunnel. Yeah. No. Search on 178. Okay, explain to me about tunnel. Use Indonesian language, no problem.
Tunnel merupakan metode menghubungkan jaringan yang berbeda lokasi menggunakan sebuah jalur khusus yang ada di internet.
Okay,
Paket akan mengalami modifikasi atau perubahan.
so we have direct cable or not?
Nah,
Not. Okay. What are type from tunneling? What are types from tunneling service?
VPN,
No. PPTP, and then
PTP, site to site,
no. Yes. What are type? Apa aja jenis dari tunneling itu apa aja? PPTP, and then
PPTP, EO,
EIP,
OIP, terus
L2,
L2TP, L2TP, terus
GRE,
GRE.
tunnel. Okay. I think enough from your explanation. We can continue to last session, which is discussion. I would like to ask you one question about your final project book. If we using tunneling on our company, perhaps on IDN Polytechnic, what the effect? What the effect if company perhaps IDN Jonggol wanna communicate to IDN Solo without cable direct. Nah, what if Pak Dedi using tunneling to connect IDN Jonggol and IDN Solo without direct cable? What the important? Apa manfaatnya?
Ya, lebih cepat.
Okay, and then
lebih aman
why?
karena jalur khusus.
No. The answer is wrong. The answer maybe I would like to give you an answer. If we connect between IDN Jonggol to IDN Solo without cable, we don't have to pay more. Kita nggak perlu bayar lebih untuk menyewa kabel dari IDN Jonggol sampai IDN Solo karena itu membutuhkan tenaga dan biaya. Dengan manfaat tunneling, kita bisa menyewa jaringan provider untuk menghubungkan IDN Solo dengan IDN Jonggol. Itu jawabannya. Okay, I think enough from your presentation. You can close your presentation right now.
That concludes my presentation. Thank you for time and attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, terima kasih Mas Sahab.